Hi, Michael, the Mercedes guy here, and you're going to do a shorty on, see how this is bolted on here? It should be down further on the post. So, show you how to fix that. Now, some people just start pounding on it with a hammer, but you can actually break the post within the casing, and then you got problems. So, they actually make a tool for expanding it. Always go from the bottom with the tool. Then you're able to put the post on, the cable on the post correctly. Okay, now if you don't have the special pliers for making these bigger, you can use a couple of pry bars here and just pry against each other and expand the clamp larger as well. Now sometimes it will bind on the bolt thread. It'll be so corroded that the threads on the bolt will keep it from opening up. So if that's the case, take the nut completely off. And then use a pair of channel locks and grab it like so and push. Actually, come to think of it, it's better to actually leave the nut on a bit. That way you don't bugger the end of the threads of the bolt. And pry the bolt off of the clamp. That way it expanded. But this bolt is loose, so that's not required on this one.